We had a client, but they had their sinks were starting to drain really slow.
Okay.
Really, really slow. Not to the point that it was a true backup, but just really, really slow. And they needed a plumber came out and said, hey, you got a tree root or something in there. They ran a camera down there. I don't remember what the problem was. Pipe had collapsed, whatever. We need to dig through the foundation right here in your living room and fix it, and then come back out and we'll fix it back. And the plumbers are always real good about this. They know the answer, but they put it on the insurance company. They're like, you have insurance for this. It's called foundation coverage.
Not everybody. I mean, it's more common now.
Yeah. Well, Company X probably doesn't have foundation coverage because they exclude everything practically. So you have foundation coverage. And I'm like, and so they said, so we made a claim, which I didn't know they'd made a claim, but they made a claim. And the adjuster said, no coverage.
Why?
Because foundation coverage is what we call a secondary coverage. There was no damage to the dwelling at that point. There was no, you have to have water damage first. Wow. You have to, if the flooring, if they'd have woke up and there was water in the floor, or if there had been, and it has to be above the deductible. You know, if they woke up and there was damage to the flooring, to cabinets, to drywall, whatever it may, furniture, whatever it may be, and they had to go in there and fix it, then there's coverage.
Yeah. And you know, and that's something
for foundation.
And that's, but it's, yeah, that's the thing that kind of makes insurance a racket too. And I get it that there has to be the loss and they're not helping, but they're not helping to pay for the preventative. Like there's the issue to the place that you're insuring and you're not even, there's no help.
It's homeowners' responsibility for maintenance.
And I totally get that. But even if it's over the deductible, but it hasn't caused this major loss yet. So what's actually happening is insurance companies, the way the policies are written, are saying, hey, next time don't do anything about it. And then we'll pay the $100,000 claim.
Yes.
Opposed to the $4,000 claim.
Correct.
And you pay your $1,000 deductible, but you now don't have to worry about all of the drying out. You don't have to worry about getting new furniture. You don't have to worry about getting new floors. You don't have to worry about this. You don't have to deal with contractors.
The client told the adjuster, said, well, then I'll just withdraw the claim and wait for the damage to happen.
Well, now you can't do that.
Well, the adjuster's like, well, you can't do that now.
You can't do that. You've known about it. Now you have to mitigate. You have a responsibility as a homeowner to mitigate the loss.